Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zaatar tea. This ancient herbal drink is known for its unique flavor and potential health benefits, such as aiding respiratory health and boosting the immune system. Preparing it at home is surprisingly simple, requiring just a few basic ingredients you might already have. Get ready to enjoy a soothing and aromatic beverage that's perfect any time of day. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 tablespoon of dried Zaatar leaves. Zaatar is a blend of herbs, often including wild thyme, oregano, and marjoram, sometimes with sumac and sesame seeds. Fresh, filtered water is essential for the best taste. For optional additions, have a teaspoon of honey or a lemon slice ready to customize your tea. Once your water is boiling, add about 1 tablespoon of dried Zaatar leaves to a heat-proof cup or teapot. Pour 8 ounces of hot water over the Zaatar. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to fully develop. Then, strain the tea to remove the leaves before serving. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable beverage. Serve your Zaatar tea warm, perhaps with a fresh mint sprig for garnish. You can easily customize its flavor by adding a squeeze of lemon juice or a touch more honey to suit your preference. This tea is a wonderful way to relax and enjoy a moment of calm. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. Enjoy this comforting and aromatic beverage anytime you need a moment of calm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.